Hey babes, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel, y'all. Oh my goodness, y'all. Y'all know I get so like giddy, like childish, like when it comes down to me with Dossier. Y'all, I'm pretty sure you seen the title. Girl, it's Dossier time, okay? When I hear about Dossier, I'm like, give me, give me, give me. Give me Dossier. Give me Dossier. I want all the Dossier. Give me all the Dossier. And this right here, y'all, it's more where that came from. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and get into the video. So I hope you like my intro, y'all, because there is no fake, no phony in my intro, okay? I love Dossier. I am just, like always, I'm a Dossier fan. I love Dossier, period, point blank, okay? When you talk about affordable, when you talk about niche fragrances, when you talk about I can save a lot of money and I can smell like the original, it's Dossier, hands down, baby, all the time. So today's fragrance that I do have on, which I presented in my last video, y'all, is Gourmand Vanilla. Gourmand Vanilla is inspired by vanilla sex, y'all. Now, this is the bottle. This is Dossier's bottle right here. Look how beautiful this bottle is. This is the bottle. And I've been putting a little dent in her because Gourmand Vanilla smells really good. So I just wanted to let you know what I have on today, y'all. But that's not the ones that I am reviewing today. The ones I'm reviewing today are going to be these right here. Now, I'm not going to turn it, I'm going to try to turn this yellow around a little bit, but it's going to throw off my camera along with my hair, y'all. But guess what? I love all the glam. I love it. So, this box is beautiful as well. So, y'all, let me tell you what I have been wearing out. And I'm going to have to reorder some of this because, baby, she's on some legs, okay? And you can tell that she has aged really, really well. And this is the Spicy Orchard, and this is inspired by Black Orchid. Okay, this is what she looks like. Baby, look at the juice in her. She looks like liquor. She looks like my hair, liquor. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the ones I had today. So this one we have right here. Oh, I should have saved you for last, baby. This one right here is Ambery Rose, okay? Ambery Rose, y'all. Baby, the top notes are lychee, blackcurrant, bergamot, grapefruit. The middle notes are rose, plum, nutmeg. What is this? ESS? I don't know what that is. Excuse me, y'all. Okay. ESS, saffron. The base notes is amber, vivida, musk, and cedarwood. Let me tell you something. Out of all of these notes, y'all, I love lychee. I love plum. Okay? Lychee and plum. Now, I do love rose, too, but it has to be a special kind of rose, y'all, because some roses irritate my nose, okay? This one is inspired by Parfum de Marly, Delina E. du Parfum. The concentration is 20%. So, magnetic top. Beautiful. Very chic. The bottle is very chic, very aesthetically pleasing. I don't even want to spray her, y'all, but because she's affordable at Dossier, I'm going to spray her, okay? I wouldn't do that with a $300 bottle. We're not doing that. We're not just going to spray in the air. You know, we have to do this. Oh, my goodness. Oh, wow, baby. This is a sexy spray. This is a spray. Baby, this smells so good. It smells so good. I told y'all I have on vanilla sex. Let's go the vanilla sex. Let's just go here on the inspired one. Okay. Might as well just. She is so grown and sexy. She smells like a bed of roses, but sweet and soft and delicate type of rose, y'all. That type of rose that it's sophisticated. It's just so ladylike, you know, so ladylike, and you can wear this in the office without anybody being offended. You can even go to church with this, but be careful, y'all, because, well, I mean, once she dry down, you know, and the little soft, powdery type of smell. She smells powdery type of scent comes from her, then yes, go to church with her. You know, but do not be spraying in church, y'all, because you're going to light the whole church up, okay? Because she's nice. She's nice. She's that girl. So This is Ambery Rose, and she's inspired by Perfume de Molly, Delina. Okay, Delina. So let's get to the next one. Baby girl, stay over there for me, okay? Y'all, I'm enjoying Dossier so much. I love it. The next one, the box for me. It's the box for me. If I can keep all the Dossier boxes, y'all, I would. This next one, of course, the same way. Look how she lays. She's laying. She's beautiful. She's laying, okay? So, y'all, what I do, hold on before I do that. What I do, it has a sticker on there to tell you how many 4 ounces, which is 60 mil, which is 1.7. You already know you're not going to get a 60 mil or 100 mil, anything close to the price you pay for this. But what I usually do, y'all, I'll put like at the bottom of here, I'll put like what, you know, I put like a little sticker what the perfume is inspired by and what type of perfume it is that they're inspiring. The name and who they're inspiring. So I'm going to do that. I did it with all my bottles. If you can see, y'all, I do them with all my bottles. I put my little sticker on them. That way that you won't, that way when you be looking, you be like, what's Ambery Rose? You know, of course, but you can't never forget what Ambery Rose is, y'all, because she is that girl, okay? So I just want to get that out. But y'all, yes, she lays there. This bottle is just sexy. She's a sexy bottle, y'all. Look at the juice in her. She's beautiful. Look how she looks. Look how clear it looks. Look how good. You know, I love it because it's vegan. It's friendly, okay? It's friendly to your skin. You know, some people don't want to spray, but you don't have to be afraid to spray. You can spray this. So this one is Fruity Neroli, y'all. So Fruity Neroli is really, really nice, y'all. And I'm going to tell you, I wanted to get my hands on Fruity Neroli for a long time, okay? But the one I wanted to get my hands on was called Giorgio Armani. Giorgio Armani My Way. Oh, baby, I wanted my way. Oh, girl. I wanted my way for years. I wanted my way for years. So I have my way now, okay? I have my way. Okay, so she's inspired by Giorgio Armani. The concentration is 18%, which is still good. Remember, the other one, which is the Ambery Rose, is 20%. She's 18%. She's still on beast mode, y'all. It doesn't take from it at all, okay? So let's go ahead and get into these top notes. The top notes to Fruity Neroli is bergamot, neroli, blackcurrant, strawberry, okay? Strawberry. The middle notes is jasmine, tuberose, orange blossom. The base notes, I love vanilla. I love the musk they have in it. And then they say cedarwood. Cedarwood, I kind of like cedarwood, but if cedarwood mixed with other notes, then it kind of like take that cedar type of smell from you. So just a hint of it is in there. And I really love that. I really love that it's not overpowering with the cedarwood. I love the fact that they mix the vanilla and the musk with it, because the musk will definitely top over top of the cedar, y'all. Okay, so that's what I love. We know that My Way is a favorite. She's an old time favorite, okay? But she's still, everybody's still hyping her, and everybody's still weighing her. And baby, I had to have her in my collection. I had to have her in my collection. And the Fruity Neroli, which I'm going to put it on here because I would never be thinking, is that inspired by My Way? I wouldn't. So I'm definitely going to put my sticker there. Let's go ahead and give her a smell, y'all. Oh my goodness. I don't care what nobody say, baby. She is trending, okay? I'm going to smell so Frenchy when I'm done. So this is her spray. I don't know if I even showed y'all her sprayer like that in this video. So her sprayer is... She smells so good. What am I smelling, y'all? That is the jasmine. I'm smelling that. Oh, I do smell strawberry, but the strawberry is not like a sweet strawberry in this, y'all. This is like a sophisticated, it mixed with all the other notes, baby. Okay. Let me let her dry down, baby. Oh my goodness. This is date night, y'all. Oh my goodness. You do smell the cedarwood. You really do smell the cedarwood a lot. But you do smell, do I smell vanilla? The vanilla is mixed in there with the cedarwood, but the vanilla is hidden more. But you smell that cedarwood, y'all. And wait a minute. I smell a little. That has to be the bergamot. Orange blossom. I smell the orange blossom. But the orange blossom, I think, is the orange blossom in, is it the jasmine and tuberose? Making it smell like a little honeysuckle a little bit to me. Even though honeysuckle is not in here, I smell that a little bit. Or maybe it's just my nose, y'all. She smells sexy. She smells grown. She smells sophisticated. She smells, I'm in charge, okay? I'm in charge. She smells like, don't play with me, okay? Don't play with me. I got money. I'm rich. Okay? And we spent fraction of the price. Okay? That is Fruity Neroli. Get your hands on her, y'all. She is good, okay? So this next one, please don't throw my camera off, okay? In my hair. So this next one is Powdery Vanilla, inspired by Fleur's Vanilla Skin. I had a little vial like this of vanilla skin, y'all. A little vial. I went to Sephora and I bought it. And I used it the very first day. All up. It was about, you know, sometimes when I buy them little ones just to test it, I spray and I be like, oh, I like it. Let's go ahead on and just, you know, spray it another day. Girl, I ain't have it for another day. I sprayed all that stuff. I wanted to get my hands on this, okay? So I'm blessed right now. I feel like I'm blessed. All right, so let's get into a serious note, y'all. This is a 1.7 full ounce. I love the packaging on this, y'all. It's unisex. It smells amazing. So this time it goes this way. But the notes on here, give me a second. So on this side, it tells you what's in it if you speak that language. And then they also have it in English. So the back of it says Powdery Vanilla Perfume. This is what this back look like. This is what the sides, the front. And it has like this opening right here, but you can't open it. So you see the two sides right here. So all you're going to do is just put your fingers right there, and you're just going to just, so my fingers is big, y'all. Pop it open. Look how cute this is, y'all. Look how cute this is. You see the original packaging of it? They even, man, I love Dossier. Dossier is just amazing, okay? So they do, it does go like this. Oh, you can see I didn't even open this one, y'all. So I need to open it. It has like, I did not open it. I wanted to open it with you guys. All of these, except for one, except for the Lena. The Lena I did open, y'all. I did open it and I did spray it, okay? Because I wanted to, but this one I didn't. So, okay, this don't have a card to it, but it does. Like I said, it has the notes on the box and on here, which is vanilla, musk, and lily of the valley. Lily of the valley, okay? So this says crafted in France for you. Y'all, I feel special. I feel like this, hey, baby. I feel like, she's so cute. I feel like this is just my birthday. I feel like this is an anniversary. I just feel like this is just everything, okay? Dossier, y'all don't know. Dossier is just everything to me, y'all. I mean, because they care about you enough to make things vegan friendly, you know, whereas though allergies friendly. You don't have to worry about chemicals, bad things in your body. You don't, you know, in there it's affordable. They made it where so they had us in mind. They could have went on and bought these up sky high, but they didn't, y'all. They could have bought it sky high. That's what I love about Dossier, and they really come through with the sense. They come very, 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 very close. Very close, okay? Almost like you're wearing the original, okay? It's inspired by, but a lot of them is like you're wearing the original, and it makes you feel special. It makes you feel important. I know it makes me do. Anyway, let me get off of this, y'all. I don't want to be sentimental about Dossier, y'all, but I am. I love Dossier. I just want y'all to know. So, okay, I can't smell it when I first open it, but let's go ahead on. Y'all, I have not smelled this yet, so I wanted to smell this with you guys, and I'm praying that this gives me fleur. Okay, here we go. Oh, wow. Is it? I'm sorry. Oh my good. Hold on. It's it, y'all. Oh my God, y'all! I am gonna buy some, baby. I am gonna buy. Listen, I will buy this up. Listen to me, y'all. Let me spray this on my skin. Hold on. Spray it on my clothes. This is it. Oh my goodness, this is it, y'all. Oh my goodness, y'all. I bought a little small one because I was like, you know what? I did not want, and the one I had was like a body spray type of thing. It was not even a perfume. And I love the body spray one thing that I bought that was like this. Baby, but this is a perfume. When I smelled the perfume, I was like, oh my God, I know I'm not buying that. This is it. This is it, y'all. Oh my goodness, this is it. This is it. Powdery vanilla, y'all. Powdery vanilla, which is inspired by vanilla, Fleur's vanilla skin. I love them all. Can't nobody beat my girl, Delina. Inspired by Delina, but no, I'm still gonna stick with her, but baby, she's mine. This smells so good. This smells just like the Fleur vanilla skin, just like it. She will definitely be in rotation. Let's let her dry down, y'all. Oh, I don't want this to be too long. She's that girl. Okay, listen. You can wear her summer. You can wear her. I mean, you can wear her in the wintertime, but I think she's a spring and a summer one for me. She smells so good, y'all. She don't smell offensive at all. She's not burning my nose. She smells soft. You smell that vanilla. I don't know what Lily of the Valley smells like, but this has an earthly smell. Like an earthly, vanilla-y, oh, how can I explain this to you? Earthly, vanilla, calm. Like a calm type of smell. Like an everyday scent. Let's say that, an everyday scent. The reason why I love Delina so much is because Delina is a sophisticated, soft, calm, sexy, you know, like enticing type of scent. That's why I love the Ambery Rose. Now, the powdery vanilla, y'all, and I see the oil on my arm. I don't know, can you see the oil on my arm, y'all? So I don't know the concentration to this, but it's on my arm. This is unisex. Can I see my man in this? Yes. Baby, I'm just saying, So this right here is an everyday scent. I would say an everyday scent after you get out the shower. Make sure you wash, baby, because I mean, you know, you can go ahead on and spray your fragrances. Some people out here, they say, oh, well, my fragrance is not. Did you wash? Okay, you go. Once you wash, then you apply your oils, then you put on your perfume, okay? And she smells good. By the time I come back, y'all, she gonna be all the way down here. I know it. Please help me. All right, y'all. So that is my review on my Dossier. Y'all, I'm just looking at the bottles to see if they, because it came in a small one, so I'm just seeing if it kind of like matches, but it does. So yeah, y'all, these are my purchases, and I really love them so much. Dossier, thank you so much for keeping us in mind when you make these fragrances. You hear us. That's one thing I know. You hear us, because if we ask for a fragrance, you are on top of trying to make that perfume for us. Y'all, thank you so much for seeing my shenanigans, okay, on here about Dossier. I love Dossier, y'all. I'm just a Dossier fan, hands down, period. So, Dossier, thank you so much. And you guys, do not sleep on Dossier. You ain't got to be so skeptical, y'all. Try them for yourself, and you will be surprised. And you will be, you will keep some money, too, in your pocket. All right, y'all. So, I'm out of here. Y'all be blessed and not stressed.